Do you have an old EZGO RXV that you want to put a little refresh on? Today's video is for you. Hey, well, welcome. This is Matt with Converted Carts and GolfCarTV. Welcome back to another episode. Today, I am going to share with you the body kit. It's called the Apex Body Kit from MadJax, and this is for the EZGO RXV models from 2008 and newer, both gas and electric. I had a chance to go to the facilities of MadJax down in Jacksonville, Florida, and got a chance to get a early look at these whenever they first came out and capture a video of one that was pretty set up pretty sweet and looked nice. So took an opportunity and grabbed some video of that. Wanted to share with you here today. So if you've got an RXV and you want to make some changes, upgrades, this is an awesome kit for you. If you don't have an RXV, you can still watch because it's a very cool kit just to check out what's happening in the world of golf carts and body kits. So take a look and enjoy. So I'm here actually at the MadJax manufacturing plant in Jacksonville, and just happened to be lucky enough to see one of the new Apex body kits. This is for the EZGO RXV, 2008 and newer, gas or electric. It's just a sweet looking kit. You've got lighting, you've got this modular or panel design that is based on kind of the success that they had with the Storm body kit for the EZGO TXT. This particular model has the Evolution wheels, 15-inch Evolution wheels with the GTR 22-inch street tires. This does not have a lift, so this is just a standard cart with just the basic stuff, but you take something that's, however many years old and turn it into what looks to be like a brand new cart. And one of the cool things, of course, is its lighting. So it's got this bar that goes across the whole top. If it's connected, which we don't have it right now, but when it's connected to Bluetooth, you can do all kinds of crazy color sequences and stuff like that. But our turn-in signals, it's just a little bit extra, just to give it that extra little something. It's got this great looking front grille, gives it kind of a beefy look. I'm gonna walk around to the back side as well. Yeah, so nice, the whole lighting system and everything is there. I'm gonna go back into the back and take a look. So you can see this is hazard lights on, but just to be able to show you kind of what the lights are looking like. So you've got, again, just the ability to customize. So this is this light kit that gives you all kinds of, so that's your brake lights, everything you need for street legal, all the stuff, and this big giant trunk area or bag area, depending on what you want, but also fits the rear flip seats and stuff like that. So great looking cart. This is the aqua color and looks awesome. There's 8 different colors in metallic as well as mold in. That is a great looking body kit, especially if you've got something 8, 9, 10 years old or whatever that you want to take it to the next level. As far as RXVs go, I think that kit is awesome looking, and I'll admit that aqua color I wasn't a huge fan of when it first came out, when I saw pictures and things like that. But once I saw it in person, it is just clean and sweet and nice looking. So I think it's pretty sweet. So thanks for watching today. Be sure to like and subscribe. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers so that we can do some big giveaways and that kind of thing. So share it around, tell all your friends, especially those who have EZGO RXV. And hopefully we'll see you here next week at noon on Wednesday.